wanted to jump back on here and talk about these little hand sanitizers. I've been seeing the girls talk about this hand sanitizer. This one is the Touch Blend Wild Watermelon Power Mist. And this is what it looks like. It's really cute and compact to like throw in your purse, especially with us taking around these little minimal purses, like small mini bags and things like that. I think this is so cute. This one, it smells good. It's a watermelon flavor. It actually smells like some type of watermelon mist from like Bath and Body Works, but not bad for that. A couple of other things I got from Ulta. Let me just show y'all what I got from Ulta real quick. I also picked up some face cleanser. I am on the market for a new face cleanser. I know that this one works well. I've tried the was it Good Molecules one, and it's a great you know, affordable drugstore cleanser, especially when you have sensitive skin. But I felt like I wanted it to do more. I don't know what I wanted, but I just felt like I wanted it to do more. I know that this one is good. The Milk Makeup one is really good. So let me know down below some good skincare products for face cleansers. I don't really like the foam ones, but I'm willing to try it. So let me know if you know of a good facial cleanser for sensitive skin. Let me know that. I also picked up two brow pencils. This is the Morphe brow pencils that I love. I picked it up in Java and Chocolate Mousse. I used to use the Java one all the time, and now I'm back to using the Chocolate Mousse. So I just said, let me, you know, switch it back and forth, whatever the case may be. This is the Chocolate Mousse on my brows right now, but don't mind them. I actually need to do my brows, which brings me to what I picked up at TJMaxx. So TJMaxx, I just picked up a cute little t-shirt or whatever. And then these brow razors. So let me put all this stuff away and I'll check back in with you guys later. Hey y'all, it is Thursday, and Thursdays I be super pumped. As you can see, I got my workout stuff on. I didn't want to, you know, flash y'all, so I had to put a shirt on. Usually I just work out with my shorts. Probably can't see them with my little waistband or whatever. But today is Thursday. It is my stay down, get down fit class. So at 7:30. So I'm starting to get a little energy since I've been taking my energy drink I'm starting to drink my energy drink. This is the Celsius Live Fit Peach Mango flavor. I love this flavor because it is not carbonated. I feel like when I take those carbonated energy drinks, excuse me, when I take those carbonated energy drinks, when it's time to like jump around, move around, it's just too much acid reflux and burping for me. So I found the non-carbonated one at Target. I tried one of them at Target, and then ever since then I've just been purchasing from Amazon. So if you like the Celsius drinks and you don't want the carbonated ones, I will link these down below. And of course, because I'm bougie, I'm drinking it with my glass straw. These are also from Amazon. It came like, I think maybe 6 or 8 in a pack. Some of them are curled like this, and then some of them are straight, but I'll link it down below for you guys. But yeah, so today is Thursday. I hope you guys are having a great week. Don't mind my hair, child. It's just been, it needs to be washed. It's definitely given shrinkage and lots of edge control and got to be gel. But nevertheless, I wanted to show you guys something I just picked up from Target. Went to Target, also got a package in the mail. So I was like, let me just show my girls what we got. So I already tried one of these bottles, and I've already tried these products from Target as well. So I'm gonna start with Target. I thought the girls was lying, you know, because, you know, I know how everybody like the tussle, but this right here, the girls are not lying. These are flushable, and they are good if you are, most of us are sensitive down there. So hands down, thebomb.com. And what I noticed that like using some other wipes, they dry out. These are still enough moisture, enough, you know, solution or whatever. But these are the good wipes, down there wipes. They look like this. And I picked up a few of these that was in stock because my Target be on some other stuff and they don't ever have anything in stock. So I actually bought 3 packs of these. There's one in the bathroom now. But this is a 20 count, and I need to find the one that Naturally Sunny is talking about, so I'm not just buying these little, the smaller packets. There's 20 that come in here. I believe the one that has the double is like 60 or something like that. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna have to order those on Target's website. I didn't even know they came in a travel. So when I saw these, I was like, in a bag, in a bag, in a bag. So I bought 2 of these, but these are the same wipes, but they're the travel version. And you get 16 of these in the, 16 of these in the box. It's just so much better. If you're not doing that, then you need to look up some hygiene videos. Let me know if you guys want me to do a hygiene type of video, keeping things fresh, clean, and yeah. So that's these. Got 2 boxes of those. And this is my second bottle of this. This right here, baby. It's giving, after a workout, it's getting the scrub. You're scrubbing yourself, you're exfoliating yourself. I usually use the Tree Hut exfoliant jar. But this right here, scrubbing you and moisturizing you, it don't get no better than that. I've been using this in conjunction with something I got from Bath and Body Works. There's a moisturizing body wash in chamomile. I'll be having a spa day every day in my bathroom. You hear me, okay? You need to try this. This is at Target. Oh my goodness. It is a scrub and a wash. You guys need to try it. Like, I can't wait till after I work out so I can go use the one that's in the bathroom now. So that's everything from Target. I just got a Zara package and I wanted to show y'all this. So Zara had this sale and I feel like this year was pretty silent. Like, nobody really knew about this sale. And usually they have a sale twice a year, after the spring or in the summer and then in the winter. And usually I go in the fall and winter because fall is the best season. I'm so ready for fall. Comment down below if you're ready for fall. Not to rush, you know, the summer babies, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. And I'll put a picture up here because I don't want to, like, I'm going to try it on right now. This is like real time. And then, first of all, let me talk about Zara for a second. Why don't they put the order on a piece of paper on the label or nothing in their bags and they send you something? I remember I ordered my my heels for my wedding, Nigerian traditional portion of my wedding, and they didn't have no receipt. Nothing comes inside the box or the bag. Like, where's the order receipt? Maybe they just do paperless? I don't know. Let me know. But anyway, this is it. It was wrapped up. It was wrapped up nicely. But it's like this ribbed, let me show you the pants. Like ribbed material. So cute and so airy. You see how it's like see-through? Girl, if this ain't summer, I don't know what is. This is like one of those transitional pieces. I don't know, because of the color. It's like this. It's like a light brown. It gives olive. On here is giving brown. And in person is like a light taupey. It's like a taupey shade. But the pants are wide leg, very flowy, very loose, very comfortable. Girl, this is on sale. The pants was $9.99. Original price was $39.90. The pants is $9.99. I got them in a size large. I could have went down and got it. I could have went down and got them in a medium, but I got them in the large. Don't know why. Don't know. I just be trying to make sure you go up a size. Sometimes the Zara stuff don't fit us curvy girls. So I went up a size in there in those pants. And then I got the top in a medium. And the top was the same price originally. But the top was on sale for $19.99, which was weird. But the top is like this tube neck. It's sleeveless. There's no sleeves. And then it just comes long. That's the front. That little slit in the front is the opening. And it's just super long. This is so cute. I can't wait to wear this. Like, this is one of those transitional pieces, like I said, at the end of the summer when it's starting to get a little cool. One of those night out, date night, girls, you know, brunch or whatever. Pop some heels on a cute little bag and you is good to go. That is a cute outfit, period. And that was all I really saw on the website from them. I don't know why they didn't have a lot this year. They usually have a lot of stuff on sale. If you guys seen my last vlog, I seen a cute purse in there, but I feel like that need to be cheaper. That $50 for that. I don't know. Sometimes you look at price and you be like, I could get this from Amazon or I can get this from somewhere else cheaper. Let me know if that's just me. Anyway, last but not least, let me show y'all what I got from Bath and Body Works. So another Bath and Body Works bag. And I picked up, these were $3 a piece. This is the Aromatherapy Black Chamomile Moisturizing Body Wash with shea butter and vitamin E. Y'all, this smells so like, how can I describe it? It's very clean, very fresh. This could be actually like unisex. So if you want to put a nice moisturizing body wash in your restroom, ladies, for your man, this could be this is a unisex. I feel like this could be a unisex fragrance. Then I picked up another scrub because I love using scrubs to exfoliate my body, especially after working out and in this heat. When you outside and about, you need to get that off your skin. Get all of that off your skin. Make your skin supple and just nice. But this is the Aromatherapy Eucalyptus and Spearmint Stress Relief Sugar Body Scrub. This was $4, I think, $4 or $5. So that is that. $3.62 for these. I bought two packs of these. If you've seen in my last video, I showed you guys that I had the white tea sage, and I say it wild, but the white tea sage. This is the black cherry merlot, and this smells so good. Let me finish my Celsius drink. Like I said, I will link those products down below. If I can find links for anything else, I will link it. But let me get on this workout. This clip is already 13 minutes. That's how you know I haven't talked to you guys, and I just was like, let me just talk to my girls. So that's all I got. Happy Sunday, you guys. I just finished filming 2 videos. I'm doing it. You know, I'm gonna get back on this. We're gonna have a routine. I don't know why that curl. Girl, what you doing? Anyway, your girl just did 2 videos. I'm so proud of myself, okay? I can't wait for you guys to see these. So let me just show you something that, not show you, but let me tell you about something. I filmed a foundation declutter video. If you are a content creator, then you know when you accidentally delete footage, it's a stab in the back. Like, I cried. I cried because I really wanted to get the video for y'all, and I don't have it. So I had to like make up for some other things, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. I hope you are enjoying the vlogs. I just wanted to check in, and because I was looking cute, I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, today is Sunday, and I think I'm going to start off this week's vlog with this. So we're going to get prepped for the week. I've already meal prepped today and filmed 2 videos. And girl, we are being productive. We're being real productive this week, girl. If you are new here, I'm LaMonica. This is LaMonica's Lab. I do lifestyle and beauty videos here on my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. Give this video a thumbs up, letting me know that you do enjoy the vlogs. But yes, I filmed 2 videos, meal preps. I meal prepped some tacos as well as spaghetti. So I hope that you are productive this week as well, and the weeks to come. Keep on being productive. We are in the latter part of 2022. It don't stop. Keep going. Whatever it is that you got going on, keep going, keep pushing. The year is not over. It is not over until God says it's over. And I just wanted to come on here and tell you that, okay? All is well, and I will check in with you guys. If not tonight, then tomorrow. Told y'all we're off to a great, productive week. Today I didn't do stay down, get down. I'm just gonna do a good walk, get some cardio in, just do a good walk, get the heart rate up, and keep going, being consistent with working out, being consistent with being productive this week. So make sure you are being productive, whatever it is that you have your mind set on, whatever your goals are this week. Keep going, don't stop. As my husband would say, when the going gets tough,
keep going.
You keep going. So just wanted to check in with you guys. It's later on in the day. Been a pretty busy Monday, but hanging in there. Just had to come out and get some sun and walk, get some fresh air. So I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. What is going on, you guys? Today I am going to be making my coffee. I show you guys how I typically do it, but I'm gonna do a brown sugar one. The last one was a caramel one. I'm gonna do a brown sugar one and show you guys how I do this. I just randomly tried it because, you know, if you don't have your brown sugar in a container and you just keep it in a bag like this, I've put it in a rubber band, but it can kind of go stiff, or it will go stiff and get hard. So I'm trying to use my brown sugar as much as possible. So I just take a spoon. This is the dark brown sugar, just 1 spoonful. And I like take off the top so it'll look like this. I put it in a small cup. Tie this back together. Not gonna complain. So I'm gonna put this Delight. This is one of my favorite creamers for this Stoke coffee. This is the Cold Stone Sweet Cream Delight. I just poured that. So this is the cup I'm using, a little teacup, just so I can blend the brown sugar and the creamer, going in with my little frother. Love this thing. Love this frother. All right, and so the Stoke coffee that I use is the, what's this? Bold and Smooth, the black, not too sweet. This one's pretty good. So I'm gonna go in with this cup of ice. And I just pour this on top. This was that mixture, the brown sugar and the creamer. And we're just gonna get through this day. It is now 11:28. I have not ate breakfast, so should have ate some breakfast, but I'm about to eat lunch soon, so I figured let me just have my coffee for now. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. Now that's the skyline. Look at God. Beautiful.